Welcome to World Famous Foods and Mr. Nez. Today, curry, spam, and potatoes. Let's cook. Alright folks, so we're using some peanut oil. Gonna put our curry. And our ginger. And some Garam Masala. Now we're going to add our onions. We're going to add our garlic. And our spam. Now we're going to add some water. Okay, let's add some tomatoes. Okay, now we're going to add some bay leaves, Peter's favorite seasoning, and some better than bouillon. There. Let this come to a boil. All right, time to add our potatoes. Now we're gonna cook these until the potatoes are nice and soft. All right, folks, it's been about 10 minutes. Let's check our potatoes. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is done. Let me show you guys. So this is our world famous foods, curry, spam, and potatoes. It's time to enjoy this.